Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and in this video I am going to do the unboxing for this tablet. So let's start. So I will start from the back side. So here is the sealing. So I will open these seals. So the box include the S Pen, and the color of the S Pen is also mint. So here you can see we have this Samsung branding. So this is the flat surface, so you can easily attach it on the back side of your tablet. And here we have this pen nib which is white in color, and then we have this S Pen button. The box also include the Type C charging cable. It also include this SIM ejector tool, and user guide also included. Now I will remove this cover. And here we have our Tab S9 FE Plus mint color. So this is how it looks like from the back side. So you can see this is the mint color. So here we have this Samsung logo, and it has this dual camera system. You can attach your S Pen at the back side. It will attach magnetically. You can also change its side. You can also attach your S Pen on the top like this, and this is how it looks like from the front side. So on the front we have one selfie camera which is 12 megapixel. On top we have this power button which also works as a physical fingerprint sensor. Then we have this volume button, and then we have two mics, and here we have the SD card slot and SIM card slot. So the version that I'm using is 5G. So here we have the SIM card slot as well. On this side we have one speaker and one mic, and on the other side we have this Type C USB charging port, and we have one more speaker over here. At the bottom we have this attachment for keyboard cover, so you can attach your keyboard cover here. The price for this tablet starts from $600, and you can go for 128 GB with 8 GB RAM, or you can go for 256 GB with 12 GB RAM. You can get the 5G version, or you can get the Wi-Fi version also. The tablet is 12.4-inch display, and the back cameras are wide and ultra wide, and both are 12 megapixels. For motion smoothness you have two different options. So you can select the 90 Hz refresh rate, or you can select the standard which is 60 Hz refresh rate. The tablet has Exynos 1380 chipset, and this tablet is IP68 water and dust proof. You can also extend the memory up to 1 terabyte. So here you can see everything is working perfectly smooth, and this tablet has amazing build quality. So here you can see everything is working fine. You can use your S Pen for taking notes. So here I open Samsung Notes, and you can see I can use my S Pen for taking notes. You can also use this S Pen button, just press and hold it, and then you can use it as eraser as well. You can also open any other app. For example, I open the Edge panel, open the internet browser here, and then here you can search anything on a website. For example, you want this image in your notes, use your S Pen, just press and hold it like this, and then you can easily drag it into your notes, and then later you can edit it as well. You can open any other app. For example, I want to open this phone app. I can just drag it from taskbar and I can open it like this. Then if you want, you can also rotate all of these three apps, and then you can also make your favorite app combination as well, and then you can add it to taskbar, and then you can directly open it from here. You can also use Samsung DeX to boost boost your productivity. So here is the DeX option. Just select this start, and here is your Samsung DeX, and you can open multiple apps at the same time. So here it will give you complete desktop experience. You can also attach it to the keyboard cover, and then you will have a complete laptop experience for the Samsung DeX. For the keyboard cover, you have to buy it separately. Now I will also show you the brightness level. So I will open the settings, and then here I will open the display, and here we have this brightness level. So now I will increase the brightness so you can have an exact idea how much is the maximum brightness for this tablet. So this is how it looks like in the full brightness. You can also use the adaptive brightness option, so you can turn it on as well. And then you can also use this eye comfort shield. So if you turn it on, it is also giving you the option of always on. So if you just select it like this, here you can change the color temperature by yourself. So this will be really helpful if you want to use this tablet for a longer period of time. The tablet has LCD display, and the variant that I'm using is 128 GB with 8 GB RAM. So this is how the gaming experience on this tablet. The battery for this tablet is 10,090 milliampere. So this is the gaming experience on this tablet. So guys, this is for today's video. I will make more detailed video about this tablet. So please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.